Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a spotted dick. Don't laugh. Most people do when you mention this, but it's a Victorian pudding and it's been made very popular lately by the singer Adele. And she enjoyed it, and I'm sure she'd like my spotted dick, and I think she'd find that quite funny. There's nothing meant to be in any way rude about that. She's a good old North London girl, and I'm sure she'd have a laugh over it. And I'm sure you will enjoy this dessert. It's very simple. It's only 4 steps and a very few ingredients, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Spotted dick. Start off by putting your flour through a fine sieve and get rid of any lumpy bits, and gently tap it on the side like you see me doing here. Next, add the suet and be sure to blend these 2 ingredients together. Now, whack your dried fruit and again blend them together. Usually you add your sugar here, but as I made this for a type 1 diabetic, I skipped that part. Mix them so it's even before adding your whole milk. Again, you guessed it, keep mixing. Make sure the whole milk soaked into the other ingredients before moving on to the next step. Grease a glass bowl with whole butter and cover evenly so that your pudding doesn't stick. Make sure it's unsalted butter. Press down on your pudding and form it into a shape before adding to your greased bowl. Place into your greased bowl and then cover with baking paper cut to the diameter of the bowl. Press down on the edges of the baking paper, making sure it's covered evenly. Once done, double fold some tin foil and cover the bowl like you see me doing here. This ensures a seal and will properly steam your pudding. After that's done, get some string and wrap it round the tin foil. Make a nice knot and then it's ready to steam. Here's a pro tip for you. Place something in the bottom of the saucepan so the glass bowl doesn't touch the bottom of the pan. Fill with boiling water and then make a cradle with some baking paper. This will make it a lot easier to lift out once it's steamed. Place your pud and then steam it with a lid on for an hour to an hour and a half on medium heat. After that time, take it off the heat and be careful because it's going to be really hot. Remove using your pre-made cradle and then smell the goodness. Cover with a plate and then flip it over. This will make it easier for you to serve your pudding. Now take a sharp knife to cut your spotted dick and take a slice out. Cover with custard and enjoy it before serving. By the way, the custard didn't have sugar in it either. Hello, welcome back. That's the dish completed, the spotted dick. And I've made this with homemade custard that doesn't have sugar in it, and neither does the spotted dick, because I'm making this for a neighbour who doesn't have the need for sugar because he's diabetic. So normally you would have sugar, but this is a special treat for somebody. This is very easy to make, very simple ingredients, and I'll leave the recipe for the custard in the bio without the sugar. Hope you enjoyed me making this. Thanks for the filming, Jack. And I'll see you all again soon for the next video. Bye.